from Gaia's Organic Gardens here today, here to show you how to make a wicking bed. So these are some beautiful wicking beds that our team handcraft. Here's one we prepared earlier. This particular bed is actually only 1 month old, so you can see there's been a really accelerated growth and is already providing harvestable produce for these people. This is the best way to go. A nice solid container. You can use a few different things around the place, old baths, IBC containers, or anything that is basically watertight. So once you've got your watertight container, get your drain. You need an outlet drain at around 10 to 15 centimeters from the bottom. So this is basically going to allow any excess water to drain out of the system. We then fill the first 10 to 15 centimeters up with filter rock or pea gravel, and we want that just up to the point of the outlet of the drain. Inside here we also need a piece of PVC or some sort of hose through there to allow us to be able to fill up the reservoir. We then separate the two areas with some of this. This is geotextile, geofabric. You can really use any old sheets or anything like that as well, but this is the slowest breaking down stuff and therefore will give you the longest lasting wicking bed system. We place that in there. Obviously we cut a little hole for the pipe, making sure that that layer is completely covered, therefore separating the soil from the bottom water reservoir. Now the word wicking bed actually refers to the term wicking, which actually acts as the way the water moves through the soil. So it's the capillary action wicking up through the soil. So that's hence the name wicking bed. It's a permaculture designed system, and it is a fantastic way of growing vegetables. So what we're going to do here is continue to fill it with some nice top quality soil, which you can also order through us. So you can order these systems either fully installed, or you can buy it as a kit, or we can help you along the way. If you want to come and learn, you can have us come out there and we'll teach you how to do it so you can learn along the way. We've also got heaps of guides and things like that on our blog. So if you do want to find out more about wicking bed, get in touch with us today. We've got heaps of information, or just hit us up personally. Myself or Mark are always available to answer your gardening questions. So yeah, let us get back to this one and we'll show you the end result. So as you can see, we've now filled the bed with a top quality organic vegetable mix. Now I cannot stress the importance of getting the soil right the first time. This is the most important step in any garden and completely underestimated by most people. We've then applied a little bit of lupin mulch. So this is a nice soft mulch that seedlings can emerge through and also releases nitrogen back down into the soil to accelerate plant growth. And you can see that I've actually got quite a nice selection of things in here. So I'm going to use our companion planting techniques to be able to get a nice variety of things in there. Because as you can imagine, if we just put in one of these punnets of beautiful purple heirloom broccolis, we're only going to be able to fill this bed up with one thing of broccoli. So what we tend to do for our lovely clients is mix it up a bit. So we put 1 or 2 broccolis with a bit of cabbage, some kale, and we interplant with lots of herbs and flowers. This gives a better variety, but also gives a better use or maximizes the space in a much more efficient way. So you can see we've also got some snow peas here as well. So we're going to pop some trellises behind here, and you can also grow up and down the sides. So although you've only got 1 square meter of growing space here, you can imagine it as actually 3 if you utilize the space correctly. These systems, we sell them for $539, all inclusive delivery, installation, as well as our aftercare and support. So that means that you get constant support from our team to make sure that you have success just like these guys have. Or if you just need a bit of advice and help, this is the place where we really just want to help you grow your own veggies. So whatever way we can help you, please get in touch with us today. I hope you've enjoyed this wicking bed presentation, and yeah, let us know in the comments below what you thought of it. If it was helpful or whatever, please share it with your friends. Okay, happy gardening!